so no one's gonna talk about it at all. So Arby's just bought Buffalo Wild Wings for $2.9 billion. Are we not gonna talk about where Arby's got that money? Or... No, really, where'd they get it? I'm not gonna lie, I'd be real curious to know. But anyways, today's haul, I've been kind of teasing Wednesday's video and then Friday's video. I teased this, but today's probably, I don't know. Wednesday's haul was actually pretty good, but I do want you guys to kind of vote. Let me know which haul out of the week was your favorite. And again, I'm just gonna double check and make sure you're not tilted. I'm gonna try not to do any editing today and just kind of relax. But I did tease this haul because when I came back from Dollar Tree, I'd hit such a jackpot, and then I always come home and I like to sort them out, you know, spread them out for the days that I film my Dollar Tree hauls. If you're new, I feel kind of so bad for those of you who watch all of my videos religiously, and I'm like constantly repeating myself, but I'm gaining a lot of new subscribers, so thank you so much for that. But the video post days for Dollar Tree hauls, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, Sundays. So anyways, I feel like I'm going back and forth between today's haul and Wednesday's haul. That might be my favorite. First things first is going to be this Rubbermaid container set. You get 2 in here for $1, which is awesome. Rubbermaid is sold at Dollar Tree, but what I love about this is their new lid colors. They actually have 3 options right now at my store, like a red one and then a pink one that almost looks pretty red. In the store they almost look identical to me, and then they have this gorgeous like mint or seafoam green color. And what I'm excited about this is just like the pastels. I don't know why, but I've been very drawn to them this season, and that you're gonna see a theme in this haul, a lot of pastels. And that was something that I saw as I was shopping through this Dollar Tree store, was that they were putting out so many gorgeous new colors. So I'm just loving the new colors. I'm gonna show you guys some candy really quick. I found some new options at Dollar Tree that I've never seen before. So the first one being these Airheads. They've had Airheads for a while, but I've never seen this like tropical one included in the pack. Limited flavor. Yeah, so I guess it's only gonna be out for a little bit. Citrus Rush. Also, I have to tell you guys, comment down below on Airheads if you knew this or not. My mind was blown when I found out about this. I'm gonna open this up so I can show you guys, but apparently you have to shake the package before you eat it. Okay, you don't have to, but supposedly it condenses it, makes the Airhead a lot shorter, thicker, and it just supposedly supposed to taste better. You just sit here and do this for sometimes a couple minutes from what I've... Oh, girl, that broke. And then I found these Now and Later's Shell Shocked. This is the sour bag. These are new candy bags. And then I found Laffy Taffy in bites. I have never seen them do Laffy Taffy like this. I don't know if Laffy Taffy is mimicking Airheads, because Airheads did like the little bites. So I don't know, but they could be like owned by the same company. I have no idea. But if you love Laffy Taffy, look at that. What? And I bought 2 bags of these and I opened up one and ate one. It's pretty good. I will have to say that I prefer the original. Here's another candy that I picked up. Nerds in the rainbow. I think that's all, yeah, that's all the candy. Next up, I want to show you guys some really cute list pads. I found this peach one. Then I found these new sticky notes. I love picking stuff up like this from Dollar Tree. It's my favorite place to get these things. I use these to organize myself with, write notes, and I love the color coding as well because that's a real big thing for me whenever I'm trying to organize anything, whether I'm planning, you know, YouTube videos or I'm planning how I want to decorate certain spaces. I have to get my mind right. I have to get what's going on up here onto paper the proper way, so that I just kind of know what I need to do, because if I leave it all up here, girl, it's like a hamster just over and over going nowhere. Colors are new, and I also use these to do my book author inventory logs. If you've never seen that, I'll try to find a video and link it down below. It will come from my vlog channel, by the way. But anyways, these are absolutely awesome, and I did get them for my craft room, by the way. So it's gonna be like a whole organization station up there. So got that, and then I also picked up some new scissors, and these are really cute and also new because they have, where's the other one? Oh, here it is. They have a glitter handle. So these are brand new to Dollar Tree this week. They are Westcott's, and let me just get them. What? Look how cute those are. And this is why, honestly, I'm so excited about this haul and why I think it's probably my favorite. Just all of the colors, all of the new items coming in through Dollar Tree this week has impressed me so much. These are awesome, and I think these are going to be great for a care package. And I'm probably going to pull one of these for my daughter for her like finals care package that I'm going to do. And I'll probably pick a color that will match whatever theme I'm going to do. I actually thought of a theme. Was it going to be like horoscopes? Did I say it in a video? You guys, my memory is just, it's absolute garbage. And then I picked up this modeling clay. This was in the toy aisle, by the way. This is where I found it. Like, you would think this would be with the Crafter Square stuff, but it's not the same label. So that's another thing that you need to kind of think about when you shop at Dollar Tree is you would expect to kind of see this with the crafting stuff, but you don't, because Dollar Tree does organize by labels. So keep that in mind. And this is like a label I've honestly never seen before. It does have the Dollar Tree logo on the back, but they put this in the toy aisle. So anyways, oh, and I got this for my niece. So she's gonna be coming over to play soon, and we're probably gonna do some like modeling with that. Next up are some brand new rulers, amazing color selections. Here comes, like these two I feel like are obviously very pastel. This one's a bit darker. Maybe they were going for an ombre effect, but still pretty nonetheless. But what I thought was cool and unique, and I don't know if that Dollar Tree has ever done this, is that it's flexible. I definitely think this concept is new, and it's got my favorite brand, which is Jot. The next new items to come through are these really adorable pencils. Look at this packaging. It's Jot again, my favorite. And look at that, how cute. These are just gonna be really cute, you know, if you wanna use them as like decorative pencils, put it in a pencil holder, display it out on your desk, or obviously great for, you know, gifts, a gift basket, care package. That's gonna be a really great, you know, use of these as well. We've got unicorns, koala bears, and kitty cats. Absolutely darling. And of course, what really grabbed me out of this was the fact that they were pink and purple. Also something that I don't know when this happened, but I have been seriously drawn to pink and purple lately. Then I found the most adorable binder pouch. What? But how cute is the little rainbow? Actually, I fully expected to find a ton of little pencil pouches similar to this, but I didn't. I only found this like rainbow one. I'm gonna be on the lookout, go to some different Dollar Tree stores, see if I can't find more, because typically Dollar Tree does make multiples within a collection. So this has to be like a new pencil pouch that's come out, but surely they didn't just do the rainbows, is what I'm saying. Now I will show you guys that they made it Actually, I thought it was like you were supposed to take this out, but it's not. They added it so that the rainbow and the clouds could have like a little cushion. Super cute. And then you have the little closure here. And then look at this little charm. The next items are so exciting. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of you put these on your list. But look. Oh my gosh. Like, doesn't that just speak to you? The colors are absolutely gorgeous. Definitely springtime for me. And they did not disappoint. These are expandable file folders. You get the little button closure. And then, ta-da! These are going to be great if you want to organize stickers, anything in your craft room, like loose scrapbook pieces of paper. You could also use these for care packages, gift baskets. Those are going to be great there. You know, put your coupons. You can even put your recipe cards in here as well. Those could probably fit in here pretty well. I feel like this could hold 4x6. Kind of looks like it, right? I don't think it says it, but absolutely amazing and brand new. I also picked up another pocket folder. I actually wanted multiples of these, but I only found this one. This is brand new. You also have to sometimes dig through all their folders and their binders to see what's new, because they'll just like, it just comes in. And sometimes it just gets mixed up with all of the old stuff. You get the 3-hole punch, so it's gonna fit in a standard binder. And what I thought was really unique were the different colored like tab folders within the folder. So I thought that was really cool, and I definitely want more of these. And then these are new as well. I feel like there's more colors in to be found, but I only found this green, which is more like a lime green, and then we've got a purple. Super pretty. And also what's unique about this is that they put this little pocket folder in the front. Dollar Tree's never done this style before either, so this is also brand new. 2021 just came in at least this month of April for my stores. And then we've got the monochromatic of it all. I mean, 2 different shades obviously, but a really cool concept here, so love that. Would be great for teachers too and students. And then we've got the green one, so pretty awesome. And also, if you're into pocket letters, this, I don't know, this might be a cool, unique way to like send stuff to your pen pal too. So love those. And then the final items are these expandable file folders. What? I mean, you can just instantly, if you watch all the Dollar Tree hauls, if you go to Dollar Tree as often as I do, then you probably can tell these are new as well. That's also debatable because I think Dollar Tree stores are different across the nation, but look at this. Absolutely stunning. And I did pick up every color that I saw in the pile, so I'm still going to be on the lookout and see if there's more. They do give you the little paper to put and label your tabs with, so you can see the tabs there. I love the clear lid. Absolutely love that. And then this color is a navy, which is very rare in my opinion, but yeah, I don't see this color very often, so I thought it was really unique that they made it in this color. And then we've got this beautiful turquoise. Is this turquoise or teal? Turquoise? But anyway, super beautiful. And if you are, you know, maybe thinking about doing some home organization, you've got like a bunch of manuals, you know, for things like your toaster and your vacuum cleaner, stuff like that that you don't throw out, this would be a really great item to store all of that into, so they're just kind of not flying around. I feel like I was extra chatty today, but this is exactly why I have been waiting for this haul today, because these items just impressed me so much for $1. I'm super excited. I'm definitely going to do or put some of these in my daughter's, but let me just show you guys. Like if you were to do a color theme basket, like look how cute that is, you know? You can maybe pull the pink pen or the pencil from there, right? What else do I have that's pink in here? I don't have any scissors that were pink, but I do have purple. So then you could do something like this, you know, with that. And then that. They're actually really cute, and it's super easy to do that with Dollar Tree. Oh look, I forgot this. So with the pink, you know? Anyways, I was super chatty today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos, for loving my Dollar Tree hauls. What's coming up next is going to be the transition of spring to summer for my living room, entryway, butler's pantry, kitchen, the library. It is going to take me a little bit longer to kind of get the furniture and all of that stuff here for the craft room, but I still have like a May target to reveal the craft room. But in the meantime, I will be still doing like the home decor hauls on the days I don't post Dollar Tree, and then I'll be showing you guys how I go from spring to summer. So if that's of any interest to you, make sure you're subscribed, you have your bell on so that YouTube alerts you every time I post. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. No, but really, where'd they get that money? I never see anybody in the drive-thru.